Hello, and welcome back to Food for Life, where we make cooking simple, delicious, and fun. With winter in full swing, there's nothing better than a bowl of hot, flavorful soup to warm you up. Today, we're diving into something a little different. A hearty, rich, and aromatic chicken breast soup. Packed with spices, tender chicken, and comforting flavors, this soup will make your cold days feel like a cozy, warm embrace. Here's what you'll need for this chicken soup. To begin, we'll start by heating a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped onions. Now we're going to add the chopped chicken breast. Then add in your minced garlic and salt. Sauté them for about 5 minutes until they're soft and translucent, giving off a warm, sweet fragrance. Keep stirring until they become fragrant, and you can smell that lovely garlic aroma starting to fill your kitchen. Next, add about 5 cups of water. Give them a good stir, and let them cook down for about 4 to 5 minutes, until the chicken is cooked and the water has become half in the original amount. Once the chicken is cooked, take out the chickens in a separate bowl and shred them. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. For all the viewers, thank you for staying tuned this far. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon for future delicious recipes. Alright, now for the chicken broth, you use Swifter to get the soup chunks out, but if you want all the nutrients, do as I do. Now we are going to use the chicken broth to make the soup. Add the bell peppers and corn. Once the broth is boiled, mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with 2 tablespoons of water and add it into the soup. Next, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, followed by black pepper and soy sauce. Stir them in well. You'll notice that rich, earthy aroma starting to fill the air. It's a beautiful thing. Once your spices are well mixed in, it's time to add the shredded chicken breasts. Add some cheese cubes, give everything a gentle stir to combine, and don't forget about the egg. Using fork, add the egg and gently stir. Keep stirring until the egg is cooked. To finish it off, sprinkle in a handful of fresh cilantro for that bright, fresh flavor. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 1 more minute. The spices will infuse into the broth, and your kitchen will start to smell absolutely amazing. And that's it. Your chicken breast soup is ready to serve. Look at that rich golden color, the tender chicken, and the fragrant broth. It's the perfect bowl of comfort for those chilly winter nights. This soup is a true winter warrior. Warm, filling, and bursting with bold flavors that are sure to satisfy. You can enjoy it as a light meal on its own, or pair it with some warm bread or nutrient for a complete dish. Thank you so much for joining me today on Food for Life. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes to help you eat well every day. Stay warm, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking, everyone!
Like and subscribe.